Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Gmail. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default snooze times. As you can see here, all of the default snooze times are currently set to 8 a.m. But maybe you want your default snooze times to start earlier, at 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Or maybe you want them to start later when you start work at 9 a.m. If you ever want to change the default or the preset snooze times that you see here, you're going to need to open Google Keep. If you click on the 9 circles in the top right where it says Google Apps, look for Google Keep, click to open. Once Google Keep opens, click on the gear icon in the top right for Settings. Then click on Settings. You'll see this pop up. What you're looking for is Reminder Defaults. This is going to control the default times in the Gmail snooze. So I'll change this to 7 a.m. for the morning. For the afternoon, I'm going to change this to noon. And for the evening, I'll change that to 7. I'm going to click on Save and go back into Gmail. Now when I hover my cursor over any email message in Gmail and click on the snooze icon, you will see that all of the default times have reset to the times that I set in Google Keep. So the mornings will show 7 a.m., the default afternoon time will be noon, and in the evening I will see the default snooze times at 7 p.m. And of course, if you ever want to get an exact date or time, just click on Pick Date and Time, and you can select the exact date, and you can also change the time to any time that you want. Now for the recap. If you ever want to change the default times in Gmail snooze, open Google Keep. To do so, click on the 9 circles in the top right corner for Google Apps and select Keep. Once Google Keep opens, click on the gear icon in the top right corner for Settings and then select Settings. In the pop-up menu, you're looking for Reminder Defaults. Just click on any of the times for morning, afternoon, or evening. Change it to your preferred Gmail snooze default time and click on Save. Return to Gmail, refresh your browser, click on the snooze icon, and now you will see your updated Gmail snooze default times. My name is Mike Murphy. That is your quick tip in Gmail. Cheers.